Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos. And yeah, I'm gonna just jump right into this one. I got these lights. It's a little dusted, but I got these flexible LED strip lights, and I'm gonna hang them around my room. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box, and then I'm gonna put them up. So it comes with this little remote. I already opened this box already, but I'm gonna just show you guys anyway. But I opened it and it came with this. So this is 65.6 feet long, so it's pretty long. I'm hoping it goes around my whole room. But yeah, so then it comes with this, and it connects to this little piece, and then you connect these two outlet things to the lights. And also the lights come like this, and you will take this out and plug that into that one part. But the whole light strip is a sticky, so you don't need any screws, nails, or like anything really to hang them up. It just already comes sticky. I just got this dab pen, and it's so cute. Like, I love the little design and everything. It's so cute. But besides the point, I'm going to use this ladder because my ceilings are pretty high. I'm pretty much going to hang them along the top parts of my wall. Hopefully, I don't break my back and fall off this damn ass ladder, because that would not be fun. So I'm gonna take one of these. I know this is like a really bad angle right now, but I just put it up like that for now. So it's like this, and then these are like that, and obviously they go together. Excuse if you can hear my boyfriend in the back. He's playing his game. Yes, he screams like that all the time. So I have an outlet here and one over there, but I do have a what the fuck is it called? A freaking extension cord right here. Oh my god. Make sure this shit actually works before I even put it up. It does, you see it? It's like lit up a little bit. And I think I'm gonna start it over here first. Bro, I'm literally gonna fall. This is a lot harder than I expected. Still a tad bit high, so I need to find something else to stand on. Okay guys, I found this handy dandy trash can. Okay, don't judge me because I know I can fall and break my neck, but oh, it's gonna have to do for now. We're gonna turn the lights down low. Moving on to this next step. moving on to this part. Guys, it's hot as a bitch in here. I really hope this goes all the way around my room. Because if not, I'm gonna be so sad.
Okay, now I'm going to have to move this big ass freaking chair.
This is gonna be so cute when I'm done. I still have like so much more decorating to do, but this is just a little bit. Like I was saying, I have so much more things I want to do with my nail room. I wish I had a camera that just like followed me around.
She a baddie, she know she a 10. She a baddie.
My hair all greased up and shit. Tell me not, this hairstyle is so cute.
Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck.
I am fucking dying, guys. And like, even with this ladder, I'm still not tall enough for this. Like, what the fuck? Guys, I really do not want to move this freaking table that's right here over just so I can freaking put it back in like 2 seconds. Trash can it is. It's like, trash can it is. Not me hulking it. Hopefully I don't die. Table, trash can. Like, yeah, who told me that was the smart idea? Oh my god. Babe! Bubba! Oh, my freaking nail drill. He's acting like he can't freaking hear me. I'm in a fucking circus right now. I made it off safe, guys. I've officially not died. You know what? I'm giving y'all real right now, okay? So don't come at me saying this bitch is out here being stupid. Guess what? I don't fucking care about your opinions. gonna be a breeze. Like, you know when you see those people on Facebook or TikTok and they're doing these freaking projects and it looks so easy, but you know it's fucking hard? That's me. That's literally me right now. All of this shit, I just want to show you guys my room right now. Under construction, guys. Under construction. This is what it looks like, I guess. I've ever done in my life. Bro, if he does not shut the hell up, I'm gonna get fucking pissed. I already told his ass I'm recording a video and he's over there yelling and screaming. Like, sir, if you don't want them to hear you in the background, then shut the hell up. Like, my 22nd birthday is coming up and I have no idea what to do, but I was thinking to have a little party with my very few friends and get wasted. But I want to do a theme. Like, I don't know what theme to do. And my birthday is April 8th. So it's coming quick. It's coming very quick. Guys, it almost wrapped all the way around. If it weren't for that little part right there, it would have went all the way around. Okay guys, this is the final product. Isn't it so freaking cute? Like bro, imagine sitting here getting your nails done and the lights are like this. Besides, it's kind of hard because I have to obviously turn that light on, my ring light. But other than that, it changes colors. And shout out to Lizzie because she put me on these. And then you can do like flash, fade, whatever you want. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, see you later.